Hello everyone. My name is Sudip Maiti. I'm a interview mastery expert. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 engineers to have a great career by cracking the tough interviews. Where I'll tell you how someone can crack the interview easily. And coming 30 days, every day, I will give you some tips and techniques through which you can overcome the interview challenges if you implement those things. So tomorrow onwards, next 30 days, you watch me in my YouTube channel. I will definitely share it with you all, my YouTube channel, so that you can follow me and you can get the knowledge of interview cracking systems. So tomorrow I'll talk about the mindset. Why mindset is important to crack the interview. What is the relation between the mindset and the interview process? So that will be the tomorrow's episode. So stay tuned for the more update. I will come back with a new video tomorrow. Thank you.